Okay, so I'm back and I put on citrine meridian over white meridian lines or ivory meridian lines. And I just wanted to show you, just because this print is almost like a non-print, which I also call stripes. Stripes is a non-print. It's basically a solid to me. And because stripes and this print are non-prints to me, I like to mix and match it with other prints or other textures. And so I don't want you to be afraid to kind of like mix and match. I think this citrine meridian lines would be also wonderful with like a really thin stripe. So layering it over really fun different things is a really nice thing, because this is a non-print. I know you guys are going to use this word in your everyday now. But I love this print on print play, and with a little lighter color. There's so many things that you could do with our Lauren cover up. You can tie it, you could do our wrap top. So it's a really, really fun cover up. And of course you're gonna wear black and navy and gray and all of those things under this cover up as well. But I, of course, love it as a wrap top. I think it's just so easy to do, and it just kind of pulls the whole look together. So I think I am in love with this new print. I know I say it for all of my prints. They're like my children. But anyways, go and try the Citrine Meridian. It's a really fun non-print that I think you'll have a really good time putting into your closet and mixing and matching with some different things. So thank you so much for being here. I had such a great time with you, and I hope you have a beautiful day.